So one of the problems I have is when the car stands for maybe a week or two, the battery is empty. And that's because the battery is never fully charged, because this is a Euro 5 and it has a smart alternator. So it stops charging when the battery is around 80%. To disconnect the whole smart alternator thing, it's actually very easy. This is on the negative battery terminal, and there's this grey plug that sits there. Just unplug it and that's it. Then your alternator works as a normal conventional alternator and will keep charging till the battery is full with 14.2 volts or something. So, thank you. See you in the next one.